This LED camping lantern cum flashlight runs up to 4 hours. It's versatile, can be used as a mobile charger. It can be charged via USB cable or solar energy. USB bulb of 10 watts which can be connected to power bank. This is a handy rechargeable head torch. It's weatherproof and ultra compact, weighing 45 grams. It's very helpful to move around at night and it lights up the surrounding. And it runs up to 5 hours. This is a 38 watts USB waterproof LED rechargeable bulb with 4000 mAh battery. It has 3 modes: high, low and strobe. It comes with portable hook and real-time electric display makes it manage power easily and runs up to 10 hours. Carry two 10,000 mAh power banks, very essential and still need to be upgraded. This is a 3-person tent, very simple and easy to pitch. It has side ventilation for heat reduction during summer. It's wind resistant and waterproof. And this fresh black exterior fabric provides 99% darkness even in daylight. Super comfortable inflatable camping mattress. Inflates with pump in less than 2 minutes. Fits perfect in 2-person tent. It's compact, easy to inflate and deflate. Can be used indoors as well as outdoors. Inflatable pillow, easy to inflate and compatible with any pillowcase. It's just effortless and handy. This rainfly tarp is rectangular in shape. It's UV waterproof, tear-proof and windproof. Its strong and durable loops used in each corner makes installation safer. Tensions are evenly distributed to each corners. It's a total DIY tarp and can be easily pitched as you want. A ground mat, compact, easy to carry and a good add-on. We carry along this foldable chair. and foldable table, which is laminate finish and pretty sturdy. This low compact foldable camping table is lightweight, fits easily in your boot space. Its simple practical design offers you a comfortable space to share a meal for two. We carry along this bug spray and afterbite spray, very important while camping outdoors. A first aid kit, also very essential. Fire stop liquid safety spray. It's very important, especially while you use camping gas and also camping fire. This is the anti-cut gloves while working with knife, and heat resistant glove and a heat resistant mat. While camping in rain, this poncho or a rain jacket is very important. We also carry a raincoat. And gumboots. Portable barbecue bucket set. It's always better to carry extra skewers, so we have this wooden skewers as well. Tabletop grill, pretty sturdy and easy to use. Fire starter cubes. It's made of natural eco wood. It's odorless and safe for kids, and it can continuously burn for 12 minutes. It's very important to carry this disinfectant wipes. It's multi-use. It can be used on skin as well as surface. Portable camping stove which runs on camping gas. And we carry along few multi-purpose utensils. It's always better to carry less while camping. Camping mugs as well as measurement jar. This is a spoon cum fork and they call it spoke. Yeah, few bowls and few plates. Keep it as minimum as possible. Dish cleaning brush with self soap dispenser. Just open the top, add some soap and press the bullet point and it's ready to clean. It's very easy to use and very handy. This is a 10-liter ice bag, very handy to carry your frozen food and meat. We use 4 ice blocks which keeps our food frozen for at least 7 hours. Chopping cum serving board. This is a cool multi-purpose knife which has different blades to cut wood, meat. It comes along a bottle opener and a screwdriver. It's good to carry this on safety perspective too.